Hello friends, welcome to lmsdaily.com. In today's video, we will see about a Moodle plugin which is named as Consent Form and how you can use this plugin to get the acknowledgement of your students for a specific statement. This plugin can be very handy if you are looking for some sort of acknowledgement statement from your students that they have read and understood about some critical information. And then based on acknowledgement of that statement, you can either reveal the course material to them or you can completely hide the course material until they acknowledge this statement. So let us see how you can use this consent form plugin in your Moodle course. You can download this plugin from the link given in the description section below. And after downloading this plugin, when you have installed this on your Moodle site, let me show you how you can use this in your course. So as you can see, now I am into my Moodle site and I will just navigate to one of the Moodle course, and here I will just add an activity here and I will choose the consent form. Now here you need to give this consent form a name, so let me give it a name as acknowledgement statement. And for the next field, you need to define which text the students needs to agree to. So I have something copied on my clipboard, so I will just paste it here. After this, you can define the agreement label, what needs to be shown for this specific agreement title. So as of now, I have this I agree. You can also choose this I agree with the statement above or something like that. For the refusal button, you can have some label, and similarly for the revocation button, this plugin also allows you to revoke this statement at a later date. So you can choose this button to show I revoke, but for this demonstration I will just remove this I revoke button. In the next section, you can define the configuration of this consent form. Since I want to use this refusal button, so I will enable this refusal option and I will disable this option to revoke. You can also use a grade for this consent form, so it will essentially mark a 1 grade against this activity, and you can easily filter out which students have agreed to this or which students have not agreed to this. This agreement and course overview will show this statement on the course overview page also. No course module list. If you check this box, then you will not be able to define the dependencies for this consent form, which means that after checking this box like this, you cannot hide any activities if the student is not agreeing to your consent form. So for this example, I will keep it unchecked here. Rest all settings are common to every plugin. I will just leave them default, and let's click on this save and display. So on the next page, you can see now I am seeing the list of activities which can be hidden if the students are not agreeing with this acknowledgement statement. Pardon my English, I have made a mistake here in the name of this statement. I really apologize for that mistake. So let me select all the activities here, and as you can see, these turn green. Now whenever any student comes to this consent form, he cannot access these 3 activities unless he gives the acknowledgement to this consent form. I will show you by changing my role to as a student. So as you can see, now I am on the acknowledgement statement consent form, and I will just go back to the course. So you can see that this statement is marked complete unless this activity is not available. So I need to go back to this one and select with agree. And now you can see that I have one more activity which is marked as missing, but if that is my mistake, if that is not there, then these activities have been revealed now after the student agreed to the consent form. So this is how you can use this consent form for your Moodle courses. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. And if you have faced any problem while following this screencast, please don't hesitate to share your thoughts or feedback in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching.